Good morning everybody. Previous class we have already discussed about the SI unit of length, mass, time and what? Temperature with the different system like CGS system, MKS system, FPS system, whereas SI system, Standard International Unit. So today again I will remind you something. When you are writing or you are measuring the distance between your home to your school, in kilometer you are measuring. Kilometer is the multiples of SI unit of length. Actually SI unit of length is what? Meter. But in meter we cannot measure that much distance. So we are using kilometer, and kilometer is the multiple of meter. I told you the prefix kilo, then SI unit meter. Kilo, the prefix you are using, that is applicable for the longer distance if the distance is large. Normally again, if you want to measure the length of your pencil box, the length or the breadth of your compass box, in that case what you will use? You will use the sub multiples. What you will use? Sub multiples like centimeter, millimeter. Clear? This one again I will teach you about hectometer, decameter, decimeter, everything I will teach. First, sign or the convention while we are writing the SI unit. Convention while we are writing the SI unit, what you will take, and in which way you will write to, in proper way you will write. For example, suppose you are writing the SI unit of length, meter. SI unit of length is what? Meter. In that case m, bigger one you can't write, m also smaller, or when you are writing only the symbol small m, not the capital M. When you are writing the SI unit of length, you should obey this rule. Everything should be in small letter or running letter, whereas M, when you are writing the symbol, also in small letter. Clear? Because it is not coming from a scientist name like kilogram. Everything should be small, or when you are writing kg, kg also small. Here capital M you can't write. In this case capital K, capital G also you can't write. Clear? Second point, when the unit is coming from a scientist name, after the scientist name, suppose it is coming, for example, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and Kelvin is coming from a scientist name. So in that case, Kelvin you can write. Clear? For example, when you want to write the symbol, then capital K. In this case, small k you can't write. Suppose another one, the SI unit of current, the electric current is coming, no. The SI unit of current is ampere. So capital A you will write, small a you can't write. If the unit is coming from a scientist name like Kelvin, ampere, Fahrenheit, understood? Celsius. Next one, the unit you can't write in a plural way, in plural form. For example, suppose you are writing meter, M-E-T-R-E, meters you can't write. In plural form, kelvins, kelvins you can't write, only in singular form. Clear? Suppose two unit you are mixing. For example, the unit of work, Newton meter, Understood? Another one, the unit of tau. Tau means torque. Torque means movement of force, a turning of force. For example, turning of force, tau, this is the sign of turning of force. Newton meter we are writing. Newton, why capital? Because it is coming from a scientist name. Meter is small letter because it is not coming from a scientist name, so that we are writing in small letter. But whereas Newton is capital because it is a combination of two units, so that Newton little space. Understood? So when you are writing two units together, a space is there, means you should keep a space. Suppose Newton meter, Newton second you are writing, and some space you will keep. Clear? Another one, when you are writing the suppose what is the SI unit of speed? Meter per second, meter by second. Meter by second also you can write, or meter second inverse also you can write. When as it is in denominator side, when it will move to numerator, then what? Here power 1 is there, it becomes negative power. Clear? Suppose the SI unit of acceleration due to gravity is meter per second square. This one how you will write? Meter second minus 2 you will write. Meter second minus 2 means inverse square. Clear? Now length. I told you for one, length, mass, time and temperature. First one we will read about length today. What is length? First, the definition of the length. Clear? Length is the distance between 2 points. Suppose this is A point and this is B point. The distance between 2 points is called length. The distance between 2 points is called what? Length. You can measure the length, depth of the well, length of your home to school, length of your box, compass box, length of your room where you are reading, study room, length of your table. Clear? Now, what is the unit of length? I have already told you about the unit of length. The unit of length is meter. Meter is m. Symbol you can write m and meter. Small letter because it is not coming from a scientist name. Now I told. Clear? So the unit or the SI unit of length is meter. Clear? Now question will come, state and define the SI unit of length. State and define the SI unit of what? Length. Now what is the answer? State means what you will write? The SI unit of length is meter. What you will write? The SI unit of length is meter. Now define. What is 1 meter? 1 meter is defined as the distance travelled by light. 1 meter is defined as what you will write? SI unit of length is meter. meter you can write, or m also you can write. Now define given, so define what? 1 meter is defined as the distance. 1 meter is defined as the distance travelled by light in air in 1 by, here may not be it is visible, so here I am writing, after that in 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 of a second. So state and define the SI unit of length. What is SI unit of length. SI unit of length is measure, meter. You can write m also. Another one, 1 meter is defined as. Defined here given or no? So you will define 1 meter is defined as the distance traveled by the light. The distance traveled by the light in air in 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 of a second. It means you know the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So that in 1 meter is divided. The distance traveled by light. The distance traveled by light in 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 of a second. So what you will get by 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 means 1 you will get. Understood or not? By 3 into 10 to the power 8 means got how much got? 1. Second by second means what? Second got 1 meter. So in this case 1 meter is defined as the distance traveled by light in air in 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 of a second. Clear? So another one, higher units, kilometer, smaller unit, centimeter, millimeter. That one I will tell you now. Now see, conversion of one multiples to submultiple or submultiples to multiples. So that formula is there. Millimeter, centimeter, mm. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Already you have learned about millicenti, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. What? Millicenti, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer means mm means millimeter, cm means centimeter, dm means decimeter, m means millimeter, no m means meter, sorry, meter. This is the SI unit. Below the SI unit, left side, this is the submultiples, and right side of the SI unit, meter is SI unit. This is multiples. Clear? So millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Clear? Now one form to another form, how we will convert. For example, 1 hectometer is equal to deximeter given. 1 hectometer is equal to deximeter. First you will count 1, 2. 1 and 2 times you are coming. So in 1, how many 0? 1, 2, 2 0. So 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Clear? Next one, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to deximeter. Now everybody you can say kilometer to come, what? Kilometer to hectometer, 1 0, next 0, next 0. In 1 how many 0? 3 0. 1, 2 and 3. Clear or not? Kilometer to meter means kilometer to hectometer, 1, 2, 3. So 3 0. Understood? This is conversion of bigger unit to smaller unit, multiples to submultiples. Clear or not? Now just reverse we will do. For example, you want 1 kilometer is equal to, it is visible or not, let me see. Yes, visible. So 1 kilometer is equal to decimeter suppose. Dex dm means decimeter. Now kilometer to come, kilometer to hectometer, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1 how many 0? 4 0. So 1 kilometer is equal to decimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1, 4 0. Suppose here question will ask you 5 kilometer is equal to decimeter. In 540 you will write 50000 means 50,000 decimeter. Now another one, 1 DAM means decameter. Decameter to millimeter, that's millimeter. Decameter means 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1 how many 0? 40 means 1 DAM is equal to 10,000 millimeter. Clear? Now reverse we will do. This one understood? You can do anything, hectometer to centimeter, kilometer to decimeter, hectometer to millimeter, whatever maybe you can do. Clear? Now solve multiples to multiple means smaller to bigger one. 1 centimeter is equal to decimeter given. 1 centimeter is equal to decimeter. Now again you go centimeter to meter. Centimeter 1, 2. How many times? 2 times. 1 by 1, 0, 0. Here when you are going smaller to bigger, then 1 by always you will do. 1 by. Clear? Is equal to in decimal 0.01 meter. So let's see again one time I am explaining. When you are going from multiples to multiples, 1 centimeter is equal to decimeter I asked. So centimeter to meter what? 1, 2. 1 by in 1 how many 0? 2 0 because 2 times we have. Now 1 mm to kilometer. Bigger one see. Mm to kilometer means you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by in 1 how many 0? 6 0. Clear? Now you can do 0.00001. No, again 1 0 1. Clear? How many? 6 0 means 5 0, then 1 you will do after that. Before that decimal you will keep. Clear? Another one, 1 dm decimeter to kilometer. Decimeter to kilometer you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by in 1 how many 0? 4 zeros. Understood? This is all about the conversion of one unit to other unit. Now question will come 35 meter is equal to kilometer. 35 meter is equal to kilometer. This type of question I will give. 35 meter is equal to kilometer. 35 meter means 1 meter to kilometer. 1, 2 and what? 3 means 35 by in 1 how many 0? 3 zeros. So 0.035 kilometer. Understood? Otherwise you can cut in simpler form also you can do. No problem. Suppose one question given 35 not another one you do 69 hectometer is equal to centimeter. Means that side to this side you will come 69 hectometer is equal to centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 69 how many 0 you will put? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the formula. 69 means 6,90,000 centimeter. Clear? This is all about your length. So homework, some number you will do. 103 kilometer is equal to centimeter. 930 hectometer is equal to millimeter. 49 centimeter is equal to HM means hectometer. 5 mm is equal to km means 5 millimeter is equal to kilometer. You will do by yourself. This is homework for you. Another one also you can write. Okay. Today this much. Thank you.